Welcome back to my channel. Let me show you how I made these salmon look nice and then I'll show you how I made this. I fried it into the skillet, but I'll show you the ingredients I used, and just follow along with me and I'll show you how I made it. Thank you. Okay, we got 3 pieces of salmon here. We're gonna fry up on this little flat grill. Anyways, let me get it open. Now, what I like to do is I like to spray a little bit of olive oil on this, and then we'll let this cook a little bit. Okay, the first thing I like to put on this, when it comes to ingredients or seasoning, I like to use a little bit of lemon pepper. I don't know if you can see that from the light, but that's what this is. Okay, next what I like to put on here is a little bit of paprika. And then the next thing I like to put is a little bit of seasoned salt. With a little bit of black pepper. Okay, we're going to put this. Okay, I want to go ahead and flip these. Start with this one. This one's got the skin on it. The rest of them don't. I want to make that skin crispy, so I'm gonna. Okay, there goes that one. Yeah, that one. Okay, we're going to season this side a little bit. Some paprika. Okay, enough of that. Now we'll put some lemon pepper. Enough of that. Not forget the seasoned salt. Well, I want to thank you for watching my channel, and I appreciate you, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. And yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos, and y'all have a great day.